Okay.
2008 Pontiac G8 GT. It's got a little bit of a shake to it, and it feels like it's not running on all cylinders. Here we go.